Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom icon, like a heart or fire, to your status bar on an iPhone. This is a new way to customize your iPhone using the focus mode on iOS 15. Before we begin, if you've tried this before but you're having an issue where it doesn't show up for you, it's more than likely because you have location services enabled, and that's what's taken the icon's place. This happened to me since I usually leave location services turned on. Some people don't though, so they never ran into the issue in the first place. It's up to you which one you want to have, but it looks like as of now, you can only do one or the other, location services or custom icon. In this video, we're going to assume that you want the icon. Start by making sure that you have location services turned off. Open settings and then scroll down and choose privacy. At the top, tap Location Services and then turn it off by hitting the slider on the top right. And don't worry, this will keep Find My iPhone and Share My Location turned on if you ever lose your phone. With that turned off, tap back on the top left to get back to the main settings page. Now, tap Focus. Next, hit the plus sign on the top right and then Custom to create a new custom focus mode. Name your new icon something like Icon. This doesn't really matter, it's just how you'll identify it. Next, down below, choose the icon that you want to appear. You can also change its color if you'd like. When you're done, hit Next. Here we want to set the focus mode as open as we can, since we're not really using it as a Do Not Disturb feature. Change Calls From to Everyone. If there are contacts inside of the Allowed People section, you can leave it as is. Hit Allow at the bottom. Next, choose what apps you want to allow notifications from. This is the part that I wish had an all option and was a bit easier. You may not have too many apps installed, but if you're like me and have a million apps, this takes a minute to do. Hit Add App and then go through and choose all of the apps that you want to receive notifications from. When you're finished, hit Allow. Your new focus mode will then be finished. Hit Done, and then to turn the icon on, just tap the slider at the top to enable it. You'll then see the new icon in the status bar at the top. If you ever want to turn it off, or if you forget where to find the focus mode, just open Settings, go to Focus, tap the new focus icon, and then turn it off here. And that's how you add custom icons to the status bar on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.